Today we're making jollof rice. Now I'm measuring my rice for 2 people, and then I'm going to be putting water and putting it on fire for it to parboil. Straight after this, I'm lighting up my gas and putting it on, washing my vegetables and slicing it, of course. Wow, that's so lit. Now my rice is done. I'm going to be washing it. After washing it, right now I'm thinking, who sent me to cook this? Putting on my gas again, I'm using my blue band as oil, and I have remnant stew I'm going to be using for this. So cutting all my stuff, putting it in, putting oil from the remaining stew, and now I just have to turn it. Turn. Now I'm going to go. Next thing to do is using my spices. I'm going to be using my rahama curry for my jollof rice, and of course going to be using the burger thyme. So now I'm putting my thyme, going to be using my tasty thyme paste. I'm going to be stirring my stuffs, my stock that I'm going to be using to cook. So after this, I'm going straight right into it, taking my remaining stew just a little bit and then adding it up for extra spice, you know the vibes. And now I'm going to be turning. I have remnant seasonings for my cooking. I'm going to be putting them inside of this, and I'm going to be continuing from where I stopped. Now I'm going to be using the chicken Maggi seasoning for this jollof rice. Wow, this jollof rice tastes really good. Next, I'm going to be using my onga. You all know onga. All these spices are really affordable. And after this, I'm going to be turning and covering. So now I'm putting my water into my stock, adding my Maggi cubes into my stock. Wow, that transition was so lit. So now I'm going to be I'm trying to change the personality of this. I'm trying to turn into from jollof rice to fried rice. So now, but the personality was too strong for me to switch. So now I'm going to be covering it with my cover and then allowing it to steam for some time. So then I remember that I do not have salt. Oh my god. So I just had to scratch and put the remaining salt in my stock. And then of course I'm adding my jollof rice because it's a long time I'm waiting. So now allowing it to boil. Oh my god, this is like the final look of my jollof rice. It was still on the fire, but like this water was dried out and this jollof rice was lit. So if you enjoyed my concoction rice, please give this video a thumbs up and like. Thank you.